Will the TBR seat fit on a cross country 300? Nope. Almost. It's almost the same. A little wider, shaped a little different. Close, but no cigar. I don't remember that on the DLX. Take the cover and the cushion off of this and put it on there. That is, if it cleans up a little better, it should. Brake cleaner polish from Honda. The strangest thing is, this doesn't have that deep hump that they always have. So you could literally make that a flat seat. I don't think I can restitch that, but man, that could be a nice flat seat if they went right back like that. Time to take all these staples out. That's a big hump right there, boy. Maybe I'll just shave this one off. I'll never put that back on, I don't think. And look, it's literally a flat seat underneath. Perfect. Now they have to make us a flat seat. That'd be awesome. I didn't realize he just put a cover over top of the seat blade on the TBR7. I can never get it perfect with that. I forgot to record when I was doing a little sanding with the orbital. It's not perfect, none of them ever are. This thing works pretty good, but I think sometimes if you use just a hacksaw blade by hand, it does better. And take very little off and then sand it to what it needs, because that actually works really good. And one of you guys mentioned that to me last time. It does work good. It'll be a pretty flat seat. Making sure I stretch all the wrinkles. Not bad, not perfect, not bad. Not too shabby. Oh yeah, if you want a quick detached seat, these have kind of a rounded head on it. I put one in one side here, just a bolt, and leave that side out. And literally, this will pop over top of it and catch it. It actually works perfect. Let's see. See? And it don't come off unless you really yank that one side up. Maybe I get a new seat cover. Yeah, look at that. Wow, it looks like it feels 100 times better. Oh yeah, heck yes. I could sit way back now. You know, when you're off-road, you want to put your weight front and back. I don't know why they don't make this with a flat seat. That feels 100 times better. It's not perfect, but it's pretty darn good. I like that a lot better. Vin Diesel approved. Pretty close. Yeah, I could put that hump in there and stretch it back over this TBR seat. I'm just doing it like this to keep it all together. Don't ask me why, I'm gonna save it. It's silly, that's why. There. Finally a nice day. Let's take the RPS Cross Country 300 for a burn with the flat seat. And if you guys are asking, the grasshopper had to pick up the burning pot to move it to get out. It was a baking pan. So I'm doing a review on this MIG welder. I'm gonna make a couple tools for the holes on this table for welding. I gotta pick up a couple more tools that I can make. I know I bought some for up north, but nothing down here. I didn't even make them up north yet. Look at that nice flat seat. Oh yeah, feels much better on the hiney. Oh yeah, way better. You can sit way back. Probably wheelie better too. Howdy, John.
How are you?
Not bad. How you doing?
A few moments later.
I see ya. It's a bit windy. Oh, having a flat seat. I'm telling you, it's way better. Somebody has to come up with like a foam cover for all these seats, universal, and then just a top pad that's flat, because they're so close. I mean, almost feels like a different bike. I like having the different positions. Alright, try that out. That'll work. They are out. They have 030 flux core. Darn it. Guess that's it.
Sorry, go ahead.
You sure? I have one too.
I don't know why I got it twice.
Because you can always find something that you don't need.
In case I see something happen you can't live without. Right?
That's right.
Okay. Got it for you?
Yeah, that's it today.
We are having a big sale coming up March 2nd for you guys. It's the inside.
I saw that. I got the flyer.
This has a lifetime warranty on it.
Got it.
Oh, does it?
Rust, bends, breaks, bring it back to any Harbor Freight and replace it for free.
All right. Thanks. I don't need a receipt. I wanted a 11-pound spool of welding wire. Also wanted a router bit set they had when I bought that little hand router on the dual kayak rack, and they still don't have them in. Crazy. Oh, got the manatee watchers. I guess I'll take the sidewalk since they don't want to. Oh yeah, last time I come through here, I lost my door. And I don't have my 360 camera today. Right there it was. Take the long way home. Yeah, if you got a hump in your seat, cut it out. Don't think about it. Do it. $62 miles already. Gonna change braking oil at 100. So my oldest son come down for a long weekend. Ended up being a long week because of all that snow. His flights got canceled. They couldn't find anything within the next 24 or 48 hours. So he had to find something on his own. I had to drop him at Tampa. Then he got a little puddle jumper, I believe, to Jacksonville. And then from Jacksonville up to LaGuardia. And then he's got to get a ride somehow from LaGuardia to Westchester Airport because he left his Jeep there. A one-way car rental was $400. It was like planes, trains, and automobiles for real.
Oh boy.
Oh boy, what?
You're
That's third. You can bounce it up. I was wondering if you could bounce third up. I've said it before, but yeah, I definitely could gear this up a little more. I gotta find a rear sprocket that has that little offset. And now I could sit back and get all the weight on the rear tire and float that front tire. This is a brapper. Yeah, cross country 300. Yes, the flat seat. Conquer any terrain with this powerful RPS Cross Country 300 EFI dirt bike. Available at TX Power Sports. Equipped with a 302.5cc counterbalance 4-stroke overhead cam, liquid-cooled engine with Bosch electronic fuel injection. This beast delivers a massive 26.82 horsepower with a claimed top speed of 84 miles per hour. The manual 6-speed transmission, electric start, inverted front forks, and rear hydraulic suspension ensure maximum control and comfort for off-road adventures. Whether you're tackling trails or open ground or the open road, this adventure bike offers unmatched durability, performance, and reliability.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.